nice day, but we won't hold our breath. Perhaps we have a walk tomorrow. What do you think? Perhaps
Yeah.
get the scooters out for half hour.
Yeah.
Because we've been seeing.
I gotta ring my bike.
Yes, you can take your blue bike. I think that's a good idea, Jackson. Even if it's only for half an hour, okay? Because we
I
seem
was
to
outside the puddle.
we seem to have been trapped indoors for weeks, don't we?
Yeah.
Eh? Just want the wind in our hair, the sun in our eyes.
Why are we going this way? We don't want the sun in our eyes.
No, we don't want the sun in our eyes, but you know what I mean. Feel the warmth of the sun on our skin, the wind in our hair, the gravel on your knees when you fall over.
No thank you. I nearly broke my other knee. I don't want to break the other
Oh
one.
no, did you? When did that happen?
My knee.
Yeah. You said you needed the other one.
I did get this one a little bit.
Yeah, it wasn't quite as bad. Yeah, that was quite bad, Lexi, I do agree.
It felt like I broke it.
I bet it did. I bet it really hurt. It looked like it hurt. I think I would have had a few tears. I don't like falling over.
The challenge featuring Annika's visit to KMFM is on tonight on Channel 5. Tonight, 8:50, I think she's on. The question is, will Gary and Chelsea be on the show as well? And do you know what? They had a little sweepstake as to how long they are going to be on the TV for. Gary reckons their appearance will be edited down to about 16
Why we
seconds.
stop?
Because the traffic lights are red, I've got to wait for a green light. At the moment it's red. The sun's on it, but it is red.
I can't see.
Just in front here, Jackson. Just
Oh.
in front there.
Watching, and then make sure you are listening.
Dominoes.
Red one shining, so we're waiting for the green one, and then we can go. At the moment, all the other cars. Oh, we're getting ready. Off we go.
Let's get it green.
It went green. You're absolutely right. Still lots of traffic, isn't there?
Shake it off's on the way. Straight out to Justin Bieber and Ghost next on KMFM.
I just hit. Nana.
Do what, darling?
I just hit. That one was not well.
You're not well?
No.
Oh, what's the matter?
I just rolled over Daddy.
You fell over at Daddy's?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Take it Daddy changed your bum as you didn't have your trousers on.
No.
We've got another green light so we can go through this one. Look at that sky. It's black.
I missed still.
Absolutely black.
Why is the sky black?
Because I think it's going to rain hard in a moment. Well, hopefully it's going to pass over.
Yeah.
It looks a bit ominous, doesn't it?
Let's go now. We're on the stairs going in the dark. Yeah, we were going in the dark. Yes, we're looking. I got up Mummy's bed, sneaked into the room, and I waked up her.
So was you pleased with all your bedding?
Yeah. Yes, Daddy liked the bed. Daddy liked a bed.
You did, didn't they? Did you choose what colours you wanted?
Yes. I wanted the dinosaur one.
I think you've got Spider-Man. Who's the one nearest the wall?
Jackson's.
You've got Spider-Man on yours, haven't you?
Yes.
And
I have Among Us.
you've got Minions. Is it Minions?
No, it's Among Us.
Pardon?
It's Among Us.
Oh,
I got
oh,
Among